Hello guys, welcome to another iPhone 13 review. In this review, I'll be talking about how this phone has kept up with me and how it's been reliable and all that stuff. So moving on, after you log into the phone, screen is pretty decent, I would say. And also the camera quality is also pretty decent after a month of using it. I've also seen that it is pretty responsive and etc. I can see that my battery health is still at 100%, which is probably because I use the rule. Well, it's sort of a made up rule by me, but to keep the battery to try and keep the battery for not going below 25% and then charging it till 75 to 80%. Yeah. So overall, I would recommend this phone for anybody that's looking for it. And yeah, peace, like and subscribe.